Are you feeling blocked and you just don't know why things aren't manifesting? Well, today we're going to talk about the most common thing that blocks our manifestation, and I'm going to give you a tool that you can do to overcome that to manifest anything you want easily and effortlessly. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about the number one reason why things don't manifest and what's blocking us and how you can instantly shift that to create what you want. So let's dive right into it and get started. So the number one reason why things don't manifest for us is because we're not clear on what we want. We have what we call a parts party. What is a parts party, you might ask? That's being indecisive. One part of me wants it, but the other part doesn't. Let's dive into a real life example. A real life example of that is, I want a relationship, but I don't want to lose my freedom. So there's a real life example of a parts party. Part of me wants a relationship, but then part of me thinks that having that relationship is going to mean a loss of freedom for me. So do you see how that is a parts party, being indecisive and not 100% clear on what you want? So that's how you identify what is blocking you. Are you 100% in on it? Does every fiber of your being want to have a relationship when you've got nothing to lose and it's 100% going to happen? See, that's why things manifest sometimes so easily, because we don't even think twice about it. We're just like, yeah, I want that. I want those chairs. And then all of a sudden, boom, you find these chairs or whatever. Things just show up because there's not part of you that's not, that's against it. Now, parts parties are fine. The thing is you're not going to create anything with that. So how to change that it's simple. You sit down and you say, I want a relationship, but I don't want to lose my freedom. And yeah, let's just go with that. So now you ask yourself, does having a relationship have to mean I'm going to lose my freedom? Well, my thought process is no, because I create with my thoughts and I can have whatever I want. So let's take it to the next step. The next step would be, I intend to have a relationship. I intend to keep my freedom in that relationship. So that's how it's done. It's getting clear on what you want in all parts of you on what you want. Part of you is blocking it. Find out what that part is that's blocking you and transform that into intentions, because your thoughts create. You can have whatever you want. You really honestly can. A lot of people out there have relationships and have their freedom too. They don't feel trapped, right? So that's the basis of this, is to have that instant shift, is to go through what part of you doesn't want about that. I want this job, but I don't want to work those hours. Okay, so that's fine. So I intend to have this job. I intend to work these hours. I intend. So the best way to look at it is to say, well, look at, my thoughts create. Now, does this have to be that way? Absolutely not. Change it over to what you want. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. That's it in a nutshell. So take this, apply it to your life. Listen to what you think and feel when you think of things that you want, and really identify what you're believing is blocking you, what the other part of you doesn't want it. I want to go on vacation, but I don't want to fly. Okay, well, is there any other way to go on vacation? Could you maybe drive instead? So I intend to go on vacation. I intend to drive there. I intend, make those intentions and create really what you want. Anyways, that's my video for today. Every video is designed to help you improve your life and to manifest what you want. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And you know what? Create something wonderful for yourselves this week, because you really honestly do deserve it. And yeah, maybe this week you'll, stop attending 1 or 2 parts parties. Anyways, love you all. See you in the next video.